Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the can opener for all kinds of the can opener from Swiss Army knife. Okay, as we know, Swiss Army knife contains two major brands. They are Victorinox and Wenger. Okay, and we know Wenger is no longer available. Now it's all by Victorinox. Oh, by the way, today is the year of 2015, November. Alright, the first one I'm going to show is this one. It's called Elsner soldier knife. It's the oldest one, oldest style of the Swiss Army knife. And then this is the oldest style of the can opener. Okay. And then this one is from Wenger, also called dog leg shape style. And then it's vintage kind, no longer available. No longer manufactured. And then this one is also from Wenger too. Yep, this one contains the can opener, bottle opener, and flathead screwdriver on the top. Okay. Same thing as this one. Can opener, bottle opener, and flathead screwdriver. And then here's an extra function. But I'm not going to tell that one on this video because in this video we are talking about can opener. Alright, this one is the common one from Wenger, can opener. And of course, most familiar, Victorinox can opener and flathead screwdriver on the top. Alright, now I'm going to demonstrate how to use them. First one, Elsner can opener. We use the point head here to hit straight down to dig open the can, then try to let this part dig into inside, and then use here as the leverage from the side of the can here to support to pull it up. So it will be dig in first, and then to the inside, and then use here as the leverage to pull it up. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now. Okay, as you see, dig it in, and then try to let that part get into the can. Oh, there's a juice comes out. Okay, go like this, and try to use this part as a leverage to lift up the opener like this. You go like this, dig into that direction, and then pose the whole knife up like that direction. So it'll be like this. Yeah, you dig in there, and then lift up this direction. Yeah. As you see, you can put, here's the leverage point. Yeah, okay, here's the leverage point. See that leverage point? Okay. Pull it up like this. In, up, so you can open the can like that. Alright, I'm going to show you the second one. This is the second one we talk. This one you use this head here, as the picture showing from here. You point down to dig through the can, and then use here as a leverage, and use here as a cutting edge to comes up like this. Okay, so from here we dig in straight down. See, straight down to open the hole, and use the side as for the leverage. Go like this. that. Okay, third one we are talking about. This one would cut from front towards to your direction. So like this. And then you use here as a leverage on the bottom, not bottom, on the outside here. Okay, like this. Go like this. Cut it towards to you. Yeah, it does take practice, otherwise it will be not that easy to open. Let me cut it one more time from here. Okay. Now I'm going to show number 4. Will be this one. Okay, number 4 from here. Yeah, same thing you use here as a leverage on outside of the can, and use here to cutting edge to cut, and then this one same thing you cut towards to you like this. From number 4 here. Yep. Like this. Dig in. Okay, like this. Okay. And then I'm going to use number 5. Most common kind from the Wenger. Same thing, you cut towards to you. Same thing, you use out this one here to the leverage outside, and it go along with the edge like this. Okay, and then Wenger does do the left hand can opener. So this one you use left hand. It's the same thing, just different hand. And then see from here, left hand, same thing. I'm not left hand. Just show you how to use this one. Okay. Alright, well, this one will be the most common one you can see from the other video. Yep, pretty simple. Use here as a leverage, and use here cutting edge, you cutting forward like this. Let me try another one, since this one I use the most, so most familiar to me. Yep, as you see from here, we use 6 different kinds of can opener to open this fish food can. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you can get the idea how to use the 6 different kinds of can opener from all kinds of Victorinox and Wenger Swiss. Okay, thank you.